Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be visiting one more Swiss town, Lauterbrunnen. This place is nearby Interlaken only. In last video, I forgot to tell you how can you get to Grindelwald from Interlaken. So for Grindelwald, you need to take a train from Interlaken which takes around 40 minutes and price of this ticket is around 15 euros. Let me give you one tip. If you are visiting Lauterbrunnen and Grindelwald on the same day, then what you can do, you can book one return ticket from Interlaken to Lauterbrunnen and one return ticket from Zweilütschinen to Grindelwald. This is a station between Interlaken and Grindelwald. So first you can go to Grindelwald from Interlaken, then after visiting Grindelwald you can get down at Zweilütschinen and then you can go to Lauterbrunnen. Like this, you won't be paying 2 times for the journey between Zweilütschinen to Interlaken. I'm gonna give this information in the description as well. But yeah, if you have a travel pass, then you don't need to worry about these things. Lauterbrunnen. As per local explanation, the name Lauterbrunnen means many springs. There are 72 waterfalls in the Lauterbrunnen valley. The most famous one is Toba Falls, and that's where we are going. It's just a short walk from the train station. No hiking is required here. But if you want, you can hike for a short path for a closer viewpoint, and through a tunnel you can go behind the waterfall. So yeah, I was here for a short time, so I visited this main attraction only, and after having a coffee from this amazing place, I headed back to Interlaken. But if you are coming to Switzerland for 2 to 3 days, then you can make this place as your base because this town is very beautiful. That's it for this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.